My mate Valery, he's bringing in the machine. It's called a Zweiboiker, which means pile beater. Just unloading the piles now onto the ground here. Hello YouTube. So I'll show you my land and why I chose this. I explained it in earlier videos, but now let's show you. So this is the road to Staraya Russa. I can see very quiet, and that's the road to Ilmen, very quiet, and this is the road to my land. The town is actually about 2 kilometres to there, and the first shop's about just under a kilometre up that way, and Ilmen is about 12 kilometres directly down that road there. And you can see we've got farmers' land here. Actually it's used for grazing cows and what have you, nothing else there. So this is going. This is post foundation. I'm doing this video. I intended to do it before that, but didn't work out that way. So anyway, so this is my little road. The neighbours have put in got some sand and stuff to put onto their land, but they haven't done it yet, so it's waiting there. This is my uchastok down here, as you can see. As you can see here, I don't know if I've talked about this before, but it's 3 cables. Actually, there's 4 cables running, which is 3-phase electric, which is ideal. And there's the gas coming in to that neighbour. There's the gas point over there, so very easy to connect to the gas. That's the pile machine we used yesterday, which you will see in future videos. This road here runs up to a pond, and this is my land here. So you can see that's a little shed we built last summer, which I didn't video. Unfortunately, I should have done it, but never did. And here is the land has been levelled off. As you see, it's very muddy post foundation build. And when I'm filming this, that's the foundation in. The sea is quite level, and it's actually a very dry place here. There's no big problems with wet land. See, I got a nice. That's a silver birch, or beryoza in Russian. These trees are, I've forgotten what they're called. And we've got a big, which is absolutely Eva in Russian. It's absolutely beautiful in summer. It's very, it's a beautiful thing, and it's all green, obviously. And you can sit under there. It drips on you all night. Then we've got a topple there. I'm not sure what that is in Russian. And that's the land. There's the sun. So yeah, that's our uchastok. This is where I'll be building our house later, in later videos. The next videos you're going to see are, if you're following this, is the putting in of that foundation, which we did yesterday. It's very nice. As you can see, we're surrounded by forest, which is absolutely gorgeous once it's clear. These actually bushes all need clearing back. It needs to be, the forest needs to be cleaned up a bit, and so you can possibly walk in there, because in the summertime this is just completely green, and in these bushes all the horrible nasties that fly and bite you like to sit. So we need to clear that out. And now we've preserved. Oh yes, show you. This is one of the markers of the land where I put in a piece of tubing, another piece of it. There's 4 of them. And we've preserved this bit of forest here because we wanted some. I know we're surrounded by forest, but we wanted our own bit. Guess you never know, do you? And it was a shame to chop these trees down. Gorgeous. It's absolutely lovely here in summertime. You've got a little bit of forest, and the fence will be running up the back there somehow. And there we are, where the house is going to be. Something on I wrote about I said about having somewhere to stay while you're building. Obviously we built that. If you're having somebody do this for you, obviously not everyone's got access to a pile machine. If you've got somebody else doing this for you, you need to put in one of either a container or something for your workers to live in, and you need a toilet as well. Now that's our makeshift toilet, and it's a very typical standard thing in Russia where they dig a hole in the ground. Well, ours is actually a real toilet in there, but you need that, and you need that. I need electric. Now we haven't got electric connected yet because I didn't think there's any point in doing it in winter. So we've got a neighbour who's allowed us to run a line into our place, so we've got electric. So there's no problem there. It's something to consider, obviously. If you're paying for the generators, it's very expensive. So yeah, very simple. Lutovka, nothing terrible there, and that's it. And there's, between the houses, is where the sun will eventually be. He's up there at the moment, it's coming round, and he'll be there during the daytime. It's early in the morning now, and where the sun will be coming into our window all day. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see us on our Telegram channel, which is Russia Expat Info, and look forward to the next video, which will be measuring up of the foundation.